Guys, make sure to stay until the end. One common mistake, if you make that mistake, guys, we'll talk about what it is. It can actually cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW 5 Series Generation F10 F11 from year 2010 to year 2017. If you need to find where the fuses for the front right seat are located, front right power seat, which fuses you need to check, up to 8 of them in 2 different fuse boxes. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Well, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos guys. We take them completely apart, we show you how to do almost anything. Transmissions, engines, bodywork, codes, fuses. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Now guys, we took pictures of every fuse box in that BMW, okay? Every fuse box, so we can clearly guys show you where everything is located, so you can clearly see the fuses, because otherwise they're hidden in places where practically we cannot get the camera. So we're going to show you one by one, okay? We have video about every single fuse, every single relay. So let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to guys, okay, find where the fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, watch our video. It will take you probably guys less than 2 minutes, replace that fuse and you're back on the road. Otherwise you'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere guys. We make those videos for your convenience. Now we'll make video for every single fuse and every single relay guys, and we have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channel. Check it out, they can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So for the front right power seat, which fuses we need to check, we will demonstrate on this BMW 5 Series here. Guys, 9 out of 10 people do not know that you have quite a few hidden fuse boxes in that BMW. Check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location BMW F10 F11, that will teach you all about that. Open the passenger door, then you need to open the glove box. On the very back on the right side you have a cover, remove it, and underneath you'll find a fuse box with a layout that will look like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let us tell you guys why it's super important to test fuses and relays. Fuses guys sometimes are really hard to know if they're burnt or not. For instance, I'm going to pull one fuse here, okay, and sometimes you cannot clearly see if they're good, they're bad. And let's say you think you have a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up having problems again, and you spend time, money, you buy parts, diagnostics, you pay for services that you don't need guys. You practically wasted your money. So all you have to do check your fuses, that way you don't waste money guys. So always test your fuses, even if you think it's good, always test it. It even happened to us guys, okay? And we work on cars all the time. Another thing, always test your relays. They're a little bit harder to test, but if you want to see guys how to test fuse relays, we will put a link in the description of the video below. But we've seen so many customers that think that they have a good fuse, they put it back in, they waste their money on parts and diagnostic that they practically guys do not need. So check out the link in the description of the video below, how to test the fuse and how to test the relay as well. So guys, if you want to buy fuses, relays, parts, tools at a really good price, quick shipping as well guys, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below guys. Make sure you get some for peace of mind, and you can put some spare ones in the glove box. So there are quite a few fuses that you need to check for the power seat guys, okay, quite a few. Now the first one that we need to check is fuse number 27. So 27, if we come guys, okay, in that row of fuses here, okay, now that's 23, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's that fuse that you see right under the cable guys, okay, that fuse right here. The next one that you need to check is fuse number 32. So that's 35, 4, 32, okay. That fuse here will need to be checked. So if we zoom in to see these two fuses, that's 32, that's 27, so you can clearly see it. Now another fuse guys, okay, that we need to check specifically will be fuse number 52. And 52 guys, okay, we need to come in that row right here, and now that's 55, 54, 53, 52 right here. That's fuse number 52. Then you need to check 53, right next to it. These two fuses will need to be checked. And then you have one more, which is under that relay, that row of fuses here. We're talking about fuse number 67. Okay, now we need to go to a different fuse box, open the trunk here on the right side of your trunk. You have that cover, remove it, and underneath you have a fuse box. Please make sure it's intelligent. We want to give you one good advice, that way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. But here guys, okay, the fuses that you need to check. The first one is known as fuse number 112. You may or may not have this one depending on the package option, guys. But okay, right here 112. Check this one. Very important fuse. And then you need to check fuse number 114. That 5 amp fuse here as well will need to be checked. So you guys have all kinds of different fuses, relays, okay, in that car. So what we recommend, guys, okay, buy some spare fuses, relays, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. One time we needed a replacement, we couldn't get one, okay, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere. So always keep some spare fuses and relays in your glove box, guys. That way you don't end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. Hopefully the video was helpful, guys. Thank you for watching and see you next time.